So hi guys, we're on our way to a fireworks show, and the outside looks. It is raining. It is pouring rain. Yeah. So maybe it'll stop, but we're gonna go eat some fried chicken.
Yeah, let's get some southern fried chicken.
Yes. And we're sporting our fireworks. I'm so sorry. Anyway, we're sporting our fireworks shirts for our church, and because we sell some fireworks. So, yeah.
Supporting the home team.
Woo! Anyway, that's the gist of the video.
We're beautiful.
We are,
But we're not lesbians.
no. Just kidding.
No.
It is over and done with now. Remove this from your mind. Praise the Lord. Alright, it's over and done with. We have no lives, that's why we make these videos. And we hope that you enjoy them.